he's Patrick Taylor. I'm going to change my last name to Patrick, and then we can be one.
That's actually not my stage name.
Oh.
The stage name is Rubina Montoya.
Are you being serious right now?
Yeah.
Where did you get that from?
Well, this kind of comes from the way I move my hips.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you dance a little bit?
Yeah,
Just some
absolutely.
salsa?
Yeah.
Can you show us? No, not today.
Not today.
No, maybe not on demand.
I'm sorry. Can you?
Fine. Maybe. I taught Zumba fitness once upon a time.
There you go.
Back in my skinny days.
So if Eli and I sing the music, will you dance?
Okay.
3, 4. Oh yeah.
That's all I got.
That's beautiful.
That's professional.
That's awesome. You know what? Congratulations.
Thank you. I practiced
You are
at home.
watching ZFM on Calgary TV. This is
94
Taylor McKinley here with
Close enough.
X-Pain. And,
Hey, you got
we're very
Michelangelo
glad
Badio
to
here.
be here. So tell me a bit about yourself.
I'm a simple woman. I like long walks on the beach, or short walks to the fridge for some snacks.
There we go.
If someone were to eat you, what kind of food would you want to be?
I'd like to be a peach. Or an ice cream
Peach is
cone.
good.
Ice cream,
Alright.
because then they have to lick you too.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true.
I like
A
where
little
this
bit of
interview is going. Again, you're watching CJML TV on
I think you
Calgary
changed the
Network.
name.
You've got Flanders.
Glenn Flanders?
Yeah,
Okay.
right here.
Can I have a made-up name too?
Sure.
Sure.
This is Del Bueno.
Samantha Greasy.
Sure, yeah, Samantha Greasy in the house.
You don't look very greasy.
I don't. That just came to mind.
How about Samantha?
Maybe because I'm at a
Greasy?
metal fest.
Samantha Clean.
Samantha Clean.
I like how interviews are a way to get people knowledge about the music that we make.
And
but
this is nothing. This is all fictional.
absolutely
Yeah.
a load of shit.
It is,
And
it really
that's
is.
the way we like to roll.
Because then it's more mystery. You got to keep the mystery so people are interested. Like, what is he really about?
Yeah.
You know?
Well, we're really all about.
What am I really about?
We're really about cosmonautic
I know
journeys.
myself.
Yeah.
Wow, that's fucking deep.
Yeah.
I know
yeah.
we're about Loud as Hell Festival. It's been
Yeah.
a good time.
It's been a really good time. That is fact.
Yeah.
And
Loud
it's
as
been
hell.
loud as hell and hot as fuck. It has been.
also
here
wet
we
as
are in
fuck.
Winnipeg in the Dinosaur Fields.
I haven't been wet at all. So I mean,
I
if
was
you
over
could-
there. Yeah.
Oh, is that where the wetness comes from?
Where the wetness comes from.
Yeah, it's too bad you gotta leave early.
I know, right? Yeah. Well, what can you do? Good times got to come to an
Yeah.
end sometimes.
So I guess this interview is turning into us trying to hit on you, and
And now we have everyone
Steal you
watching.
away, yeah.
This is how not to do it. You guys are great, though. Where are you from?
We're from Vancouver. Yeah.
So you drove all the way to Vancouver to be here?
Well, we drove from Vancouver to get here.
Did you?
it was tough.
Yeah.
You should have seen what we went through.
You know what? I could imagine
It was
with
rough.
you guys in one small space, that would be rough.
Smells good.
No, sweaty ball sacks.
There's about 2 of those.
2 sweaty ball sacks? Just 2? Out of the whole ride?
I keep mine well trimmed,
Well
and pampered.
ventilated?
Well ventilated as well. Yeah.
Well, yeah, we came here from Vancouver.
Do
and-
girls have to deal with that too?
Well,
Oh, yes,
yeah.
we
like
do.
sweaty vaginas.
Especially if you wear Spanx.
only if they're from
My
Calgary.
God.
What are
Only-
Spanx?
They like hold all. You know when you see like a Pillsbury
Are you wearing
can?
them right now?
Do you see how tight this dress is? I gotta hold shit in. When you know when there's like those Pillsbury things and you like pop them and then everything like
Oh, yeah.
oozes out.
Yeah.
That is.
Oh, like a
women
lavender.
being-
So that's what would happen if
That's
your
what
dress fell off
happens.
right now?
Well, no, not the dress, the Spanx. Then it would be like, what the
So
fuck
what are
is
Spanx?
that?
Spanx are underwear.
They're anything, any shape,
Okay.
and then it just holds all of you in,
That's incredible.
isn't it?
So you can
it's
you
science.
can like have a few cheat days in the week. and-
No one would fucking know
That's amazing.
unless you go home with them, and then it's like, what the fuck is that? No, put it back on, girl. Put it on. Yeah.
Oh my.
Now you know.
So-
don't let the women trick you. It's all an illusion. Optical.
I've
How many
been
mosquito
tricked.
bites do you have so far?
fucking there's one on my ass right now that I can't actually stop itching.
Well,
it's
we will
terrible.
definitely itch that for you. But let me get back to the Spanx. The male thing. Do they have them for dudes?
I don't really know, actually. I don't feel they would because men don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
You know?
We're kind of hanging free. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Freedom 45.
Did you
We
guys,
would definitely love to go Spanx shopping with you one day.
no, you would
If
not.
we go to the thrift store
That will be a whole other video. We will record all of that.
next time. We'll be here for next year.
Next time on, what was it?
You're watching CJLF9, Calgary, Alberta, Edmonton, Drumheller. You're in Winnipeg at the Dinosaur Museum.
This is Tom Tucker reporting live from CJ9 FM twice.
Yep, we are
we're-
here to finger bang you and leave you
And fuck your mom on
satisfied.
side line.
Yep.
No.
Because they raping everybody.
No.
You better not edit this.
I'm not editing any of this.
And I think that you need to release this probably tomorrow. Is that cool?
No, it's not cool, but I could probably do it this week.
Please.
I will do that.
That sounds excellent.
I'm putting you at the top of my list. You should feel very special about that.
I do. After that set, it was good. The crowd was good.
Yeah, man, we had a great set. I feel like that was probably
good
one of
times.
the strongest shows so far.
Yep.
You
Yeah.
guys going somewhere after this? We have to cut it right away because I gotta leave, sadly.
Oh,
but do you
wow.
guys have any
We were
shows
just gonna get into like the whole
Nah.
routine that we go through sexually with each other in
with
band.
each other? Well, see, I actually don't want to know that.
That's
No,
okay
it's to
because it's
prep
not
us
it's not
for
really that
the
much of a
fans.
secret.
Oh,
It's preface for the fans.
You could
Oh,
probably you
okay.
could probably look it up on the internet and find it.
probably on there. Yeah.
So
How to rape your band members?
no, no.
it's not rape if it's
No,
consensual.
no, that's true.
Do you want to know what we
Surprise
actually
sex. What do you do?
do? So, one guy goes in the hotel bathroom.
Okay.
We sit. The other guys sit on the bed. We cheer him on as he pleasures himself.
That is amazing. That is support if I've ever heard it. I wish I had that kind of support.
See, because you can't go in without masturbating.
What,
Because then
into
you
the
come
ho-
too quick.
it's very true.
There you
Preparation
go.
and support.
There you have it, folks.
CJ912 FM, rocking you live from
Sex with Sue.
Victoria, BC.
Winnipeg Drumheller Dinosaur Museum.
We're here in Croatia. We're live. We're loud.
Look at Croatia.
Can we get you a drink?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
No,
It's
I
gotta
need
leave.
to leave. Okay.
Hey.
Thank you
Wow.
guys.